Oh, we're doing a Judas run. Hello everybody, my name is Dumb Nothing, or DN, and welcome back to another video. I have a challenge for today's run, because I have seemingly forgot to do my calculus homework, and thus I'm gonna do something funny and make it a challenge. Because fuck it. It's not right there. I know it's not right there, because if I go over here, it's not blocked actually, I thought it was. But yeah. I thought, fuck it, why not? I'm gonna make this shit a challenge. So I have gotten my math homework. It's actually on AP College Board, but I have math homework I need to do. So whenever I get hit, I do a problem. that is the video. So I'm gonna try my best to not get hit, and also so I can do this shit tomorrow. Okay. Well, great. That's one problem. Let's finish this room first. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me go pull up the thing. Okay, we're back. I got the problem up. So, yeah. This is going to be fun. We have the Isaac gameplay in the background. Okay, so this is question 2, because once again, I have not started this. So, let T subset 4 of x be the 4th degree Taylor polynomial for f of x equals x plus equals this about x equals 0. Which of the following statements is true? I should probably show you all this. Hold on, wait a minute. Yeah, y'all get to see that now. So basically, what we're trying to figure out is if any of these are true. And I mean, I probably don't even have to write that down, actually. Let t of 4 of x be the 4th degree Taylor polynomial for f of x equals x plus 1 of 5 about x equals 0. Which of the following statements is true? Let's see. So, starting at the first one, it's going to be 1. Is there any ones I can easily rule out? There isn't. Hold on, let me go get my notes real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I have my notes. I just have to find which one. I think these are from 10.10, so... Not range error bound. Wait, hold on. One of these should tell me what a McLaren series is. Or what a Taylor series is. Where is it? There it is. Centered at X. Okay, so technically it's a McLaren series because it's about the X. Or it's about X equals 0, so... Or centered. Sorry, it's centered at X equals 0. That's what about means. That's what it means when it says about X equals 0, so... It would be... Not that. It would be... So Taylor series goes for f of x. Hold on, I need to plug in my drawing tablet to do this better. drawing is fun. Or not drawing, math is fun, I swear it is. Okay. Let's undo all this nasty work. So f of x equals x plus 1 over 5. So usually normal f of x would be equal to be f of 0 plus f prime of 0, then x, so this would just be x, this would be 1, talking about this series right here, we bring it down here, so it matches this Taylor polynomial, and then this is f double prime of 0, f double prime of 0 for 2 factorial of x squared. So this is what is that? Just x. Yeah, it's just x. It's well, no. No, I'm wrong. Fuck. Hold on, 1 minute. How do I delete text? Oh, right here. I'm gonna move that down. Move that all the way over here. So f of x equals the first one's 1. Okay, then the second one, because it's this, f prime of x is equal to 5x plus 1 of 4 times 1, because this is saying x is equal to x plus 1. So it'd be times 1, because it's fuck, what is it? It's not product. It's compound? Is it compound? I think it's compound. I don't remember. The x is being substituted by x plus 1. So you need to factor this as well when you're factoring it all. So it would be 5x instead, and then plus this would be f double prime with the second factorial, which would be 2. F double prime is equal to 20 x squared, and then this just goes on forever. That just goes on forever. But what did we go up to? Okay, we can get rid of this one and this one. No, we can't. Can we? With what we have right now, we can get rid of, because this turns into f of x equals 1 plus 5x plus 10x squared. So the next one in the series would be not 30. 5 times 4 equals 20. And then times 3 would equal 60. So this that would be that'd be 60. 60 over the third factorial of x cubed, which this is equal to, this is 60 over 6. Because factorials work is equal to 1 times 2 times 3, which equals 6. So this would be 60 over 6, which is equal to 10. So be 10 to the x third. So that gets rid of this one and this one. Now, is it good for all real values or only values of x that are close to x equals 0? Well, we can check both, but I think it's for all real numbers. Fuck! Why is it not? Incorrect. The Taylor-Polynomial is correct because f is a 5th degree polynomial function and t of 4 is a 4th degree polynomial function. Cool. It doesn't tell me why it's wrong. It tells me that half of it is right. F is a 5th degree polynomial function. Cool. That didn't tell me shit. Anyway. Back to Isaac gameplay. Oh, God. I don't know how to explain these things good. Like, I want to explain what I know, but, it's clear I don't know shit. Also, bam. We're just going to move that to the next question. Ooh, we need a calculator for the next one. That's going to be fun. Let me plug in my, my keyboard back in and let us play. I need to woohoo! Okay. I forgot I was on half heart. Did not realize that. Glad there's a heart here. Okay. What's in the shop? Hourglass. Yeah, I don't need any of that, huh? I could go for the... Well, I mean, why wouldn't I do this? Let's be real, why wouldn't I? So I can go in here. I can probably buy a bomb. I can, in fact. And I can also buy this tarot card that gives me the Hermit. Yay! And because I'm greedy, I'm going to go try and do this. I'll do this one. I got a bomb. And you know what? Secret room's right here. Let's go. And I got all my money back. It doesn't even matter anymore. Let's go. Literally doesn't matter. I got all my money back. And more. And more. It's a win-win for everybody. Hooray. Let's hope I don't get hit and die in this room. Please be an easy boss fight. It's pin, bro. Okay. Okay. You're not gonna do that. Okay, cool. Mr. Dolly! Yay! Range and tears up. I'm gonna turn off my light. Ow. I'm sorry, I did not mean for that to hit you folks. I'm sorry for your ears. Although I did just hit myself in the foot. You're real. Get out of here. Yep. I'm also a real motherfucker. Yep. Let's go. Oh, go ahead. That was. I'm glad I came in here. And, I'll take this. Justice. Thank you. I appreciate it. Soul Hearts? Do I have lucky or, what's that? Okay. Well, shit. Oh, you know what? I took damage in that other room. I have to do 2 math problems now. That's great. No lovers. Okay, well, I guess we're going back to the frickin' math problems. Ooh. Spooky math problems. Ooh. Look at that shit. We get to use a calculator. Ooh, calc. Scary. That's some scary shit right there. Let me put this in a... Because, like, I need to use my keyboard for this one. Alright. What is this one? Selected values of a function h and its first 3 derivatives are shown in the table. What is the approximation for h of 1.7 obtained by using the 3rd degree Taylor polynomial for h about x equals 2? I can use a calculator for this one because of this thing right here. And thus we shall. Get rid of all of this first. Whee! All my work down the drain. Alright. Let's get Desmos up. My favorite graphing calculator. Desmos. Come on. Up and at him. Up and at him, boy. We have shit for you. Or I guess I don't need to go on the graphing calculator. I need the scientific calculator. It's this one, isn't it? Nope. It's this one. Okay, so... No! No, I'll be right back. Alright. We're back. I have the chart on there. So what are we approximating? We're approximating h 1.7 obtained by using the 3rd degree polynomial for h about 2 equals x. So for that, it's a Taylor series polynomial. So f of x equals f of c, c being x equals 2, right? Yeah, right there. Ooh, is it h? Is it 1.7? No, it can't be 1.7 because that's the x. That's the x we're looking for. But it's f of c plus f prime of x, or f prime of c, and then times x minus the center, and then plus f double prime of c divided by, what is it? It doesn't give me any, but because... Oh, yes it does. Obtained by using the third degree polynomial. So we have to do the third degree polynomial to get this done. I will be right back. Alright, I'm back again. Sorry. I don't like it when I can hear my parents through my headphones, and so I'm assuming they're being too loud, and thus I go yell at them. That's the fun part. Sometimes you get to yell at your parents. I don't actually yell at my parents. Please don't say I yell at my parents. I don't actually do that. I just told them to go shush. Okay, so then it's the triple prime, and then it's 3 factorial, and then it's x minus the center of not 2 of 3, because this is the third polynomial. And so we take what we want, which is, I guess I should have made this h, huh? Hold on, I can fix this. I can fix this. Or, well, no, I guess it doesn't matter, because that's the general statement. It matters if this is, though, so that's h of 1.7, which will be equal to h of 2 plus f, nope, it's h prime of 2, 1.7 minus 2 plus f. I keep saying f because I'm looking at the top. It's h double prime of 2 divided by 2. 1.7 minus 2 squared plus triple prime. Dude, I gotta stop doing that. H triple prime of 2 to the third. The third what? Improper? That's not improper. What is I could. You know what it is. To the 3 exclamation point. I don't remember what it's called, but I'll remember it later. 1.7 minus 2 to the third. So, in all, h of 1.7. Or, hold on, I can go in and then just erase these. So, this will be, h of 2 will be 7.32. H prime will be, h prime of 2 will be 4.6.63 of that. H double prime of 2 will be 9.68. That looks nothing like an 8. Redo that. And then H triple prime is H triple prime of 2 is 48.60. 0.60. And then I'll change this because we already know that the third that is equal to 6. Did I call it improper? That's not what they're called. I called it improper earlier. That's not true at all. And thus, we go over to Desmos, and we plug all that in. Yay! So, give me a second, folks, and I'll plug that all in for us. Well, let me make sure you guys can see this. You can! Yay! I did something right. So, that means that this entire thing is equal to this. And so we go back and we choose the closest one. What was it again? 1, 4, 7. No, this one. Yay! We did it. That one was long enough. I think we're just gonna skip. We're gonna not do that. I think it's time to go back to Isaac. I think it's Isaac time. If I forget, if I get hit and I forget, that's on me. I'll do something else. Oh, okay, let's go. Finally back. Right there? Nope. Okay. That was either a really bad shot or it's just not there. I'm going to assume it's just not there. So, you know what? Yeah. Oh, and if we skip this, we can go Angel Deals. Which will be fun! Yay! Finally. Maybe I can get a chest unlock. Or not a chest, a cathedral unlock. That'll be fun. Yay! Cathedral! The screw! Funny. Hey, over here. Okay, cool. My greed got to me. I'll say that. What's in here? A battery? Cool. Back to math. God damn it. Look at this shit, dude. Hold on, I gotta get this back up here. Alright, what's this? The graph of the function f is shown above. Which of the following could be a portion of the graph of the Taylor polynomial p of degree 13 for f? Huh? I'm gonna be straight honest with you. Hold on. The graph of the function f is shown above. Which of the following could be a portion of the graph of the Taylor polynomial p of degree 13 for f about x equals 0? I don't know. If I'm gonna be honest with you, I think it's not p, because that is a quad degree graph. It's a 4-degree graph. I think it's b. Fuck. In most cases, as the nth polynomial will approach the original function over some interval. Oh, right, duh. It's c. Of course, it matches way more closely when it's around 0, or when it's near 0. We literally saw that back in this question. Because it whenever it's closer to 0, it's more accurate to the original function. So, of course, it'll be closer. Okay, that was easy. That was easy. I'm glad we got an easy question for that one. Back to gaming. We have not made it out of the second floor yet. I have 5 minutes on the timer. No, don't get hit again. I forbid you, dude. You will not get hit again. Clicker, dude? I don't want that. That's bad. That's bad news bears, bro. Come on. Ooh, shit. This is a really good way to get my homework done. Especially because I have the pressure of... I'm not doing that. I have the pressure of trying to make a good video that is short and concise. Because I don't know what I'm talking about when I talk about these... this calculus shit. So... I have to... I have to either play good or explain good. And I am good at neither of them. So, you know, that's great. Thank you, God, that they don't reach that far. Nope. Just die, please. How's y'all's days going? My day's been kind of slow up until now. Ooh, that shit almost landed right on top of me. That shit is not okay. This is probably going to be tomorrow's video. Get away from me. I'm sorry, what is this? Usually these were like one ways, or like one tile long. I don't know why they've changed that. I can understand that one room with the boom flies, but this room is like, fine, you didn't need to do that. That's stupid. You're dumb. It was like, because if you cornered yourself here, that was your own fault. I've done that countless times. I can use my book here. Yep. Blow up. Blow up. Cool. Boom. Now, my treasure room could be over here, but it could also be up in that top corner of the map. And it's not here, so... Oh, I didn't think that was gonna hit me. Okay. Don't get hit again, please. Why do you all still keep going? Okay, well. Back to this. Yay! Back to this. Which of the following fourth degree Taylor polynomials for f of x equals sine times x times sine of x? Okay, so we just learned this. This was a today thing. Or no, this was a yesterday thing. We learned this yesterday. So sine is, hold on, wait a minute. Sine is that. Well, let's erase this. Sine is so sine. Ooh, that's terrible looking. Try again. Sine of x is alternating, but it starts. Sine has all the odd numbers, so it starts with x, and then because it's alternating, it alternates. Hold on, wait a minute. No, Xbox 360. Calm down. Where did I put it? There we go. Oh, get the drawing tablet back out. This is going to be a very long video. I can already... I'm not editing this. Because you all get to suffer... You all get to suffer through it with me. Yay! We all get to suffer in the end. But at least y'all are learning something. So basically... Oh, whoops. Hello? Whoa. Like 12. Sine of x. The base function is -1 of n x to the 2n plus 1 over... Sorry. I didn't even know that was on. 2n plus 1 factorial. It's called a factorial. That's what it's called. Yippee hooray. So... Wrong thing. So... Now I have my doubts. That is the... No, it is all the odd numbers. It's this one. What? Wait, what? On. Fourth degree polynomial for f of x. I thought that was right. Why is it wrong? Okay. Well, it's wrong. But why is it wrong? Because it doesn't tell me. Which of the following is a fourth degree Taylor polynomial for f of x equals x sine of x about x equals 0? So we're looking for a Maclaurin series that takes this. Yeah, that takes this little funny little rule right here. Look, I'll even give you the actual shit. B? I can't believe it. Get this shit out of here, dude. Ignore it. I don't have time for it. Sine of x is equal to it's x minus x third to the third factorial. Then it alternates to x of 5 to the 5 factorial. Oh, of course it wasn't a. What am I thinking? So x times sine, and of course this isn't to the. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fourth degree polynomial would be x to the 7th. So this would be x squared, and then minus that would be x to the 4th of 6, and then adding this would be x to the 6th of 120, and minus that would be x to the 8th of 7 factorial, because I don't want to figure it out. So it's not this one, obviously. It's not this one, so let's see. Yay! My drawing tablet just fell on the floor. Hooray! Let's once again, try not to get hit, because it's been over an hour, and usually my Isaac runs have already finished. Great! Fantastic! I've been recording for 40 minutes. Hooray! Hooray! And we're about to run out of questions I can do. Because each little lesson has, like, 3 questions on this. Each question has or not each question. Each lesson has 3 questions associated with it. No, stop that. I do not appreciate it. Gimpy, sweet suffering, cool. Hip hip hooray. What's in here? Nothing of value. I should not go in there. I probably should. I have Black Candle unlocked. Yeah, it's gotta come right now. Okay. Yay. How fun. I should stop trying to look for those things. Like, I know it wasn't there. I was just doing that because I have a big ego. Well, you're out. Hey, man. I think we're going to only do 1 question per floor because I keep getting hit. I've just come up with that new rule all of a sudden. I don't know why, you know? Like, surely it isn't because I'm playing bad. It would never be. I'm great at this game. Please go away. Thank you. Ball of bandages. And Immaculate Heart. Yay! Let's fight, punk. Oh. Cool. I'm learning to read these patterns. I don't understand the animation. Ooh, okay. Yep. If they go to stop, they do a cross. What? That hit me still? That shit should not have hit me. Okay, cool. Great. Fantastic, even. We're leaving. I don't feel like going all the way up there in full clearing. I don't care enough. Okay, if I get hit again, I have to do a problem. Yay! Lesson 3. Let's go. What do I talk about? I don't know. I think this is really nice. Honestly, like being able to do my homework just through like a little challenge, because I hate focus. I can't focus on my homework at all. It's just I get home from school and I get no downtime. I have to work still, like with chores and shit and a whole bunch of other stuff. But so I have like barely any time to actually do my work. But then even if I wanted to do my work, or even if I had the time to do my work, I don't feel like it because I just got home from school. I don't want to do that shit. So I'm not going to. And it basically just gets put off until I eventually do it. Which will be, you know, who knows how long in the future. You know, it sucks. I thought I was about to get hit. I'm playing really well. All of a sudden. It's almost like I don't want to do more homework. I think if I don't get hit for another 2 floors, I'm gonna do a homework problem. I think that's a good counter. Even if I don't get hit, I still have to do a problem, so I can get it done, or most of it done. Yeah, I'll go. Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting hit here. I didn't get hit. I didn't get hit. Okay. What? No. Don't tempt me, dude. That's really good. No. I don't want it. Stay back, demons. I don't need you. I'm doing very well on my own right now. Yay. I'm drowsy, and I'll luck down. That's fantastic. I'm so glad I picked that up. Let's get out of here. Alright, come on. Alright, come on, mate. Why did I do that? Oh, okay, cool. Yay, I have to do another homework problem. Huzzah. Alright. Let's see what problem we have up next. Next. Values of function f and its first three derivatives at x equals 5 are given in the table above. What is the third degree Taylor polynomial for f about x equals 5? Okay, so if we take our model of not this. I'll see you when I get back there. Okay, taking this being whoopsie. This being the thing we're looking at. We want a third degree polynomial. So we plug in. Just imagine all of these are zeros, right? No, about x equals 5. Which is true. So if we plug this in here, this is 5 plus -1. -1 of 4 x equals, okay, so we don't have, our x is unknown, so this is just x minus 5 plus f double prime of 5 is 8. That was a terrible 8. I'm sorry. That's a better looking 8 because I'm using my mouse, but whatever. X minus 5? Yeah, it's x minus 5. X minus 5 squared plus. Oh, this is 8. Ooh, he made a mistake. Kill him. Oh, my brackets. No, bring them back. Okay, I'm fine with that. This is 4 because it's divided by 2. A 2 factorial. And then we have 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Is 3x minus 5 to the third. So it is this one. Let's go. Basically what they did there is that they just turned this plus into a minus because it's times 1. So it just, our problem would look like this. 5 minus x, because right here is supposed to be -1. A times -1. Which would give you a negative. Okay, cool. Back to gaming. I'm getting good at these. My brain. Okay, well, I don't have to do another one, so I don't care. My brain has activated, if you couldn't tell. Ooh, soul heart for free. Ooh, get away from me. Please die. Okay, cool. I cannot take oh. Wow, holy shit, I'm ass. Oh, dude, even if I take red heart damage, it's not gonna matter because I have goat head. What am I worried about? No. I don't care. Sorry, I don't care enough. 14 minutes. Could I reach boss rush? Perhaps. Do I feel like it? No, not really. What's in here? Wooden nickel. I don't care. I'll see you next floor. I don't have any marks as, Judas, so it's not gonna matter. Through here. Ooh, what am I doing? I have, Book of Belial for a reason. Always use your actives, folks. It's good. Especially if you have something like Book of Belial. It just helps speed up the process, you know? What else? I've been trying. I want to get into 3D modeling. I feel like it'd be cool to have my character as a 3D model because I want to have a character for this channel, a TV show host, if you will. Tenna Deltarune reference. But yeah, I kind of want to have a character. It'd just be me. Okay, thank you. Ow. I knew that was gonna happen. It'd just be me, but it'd be like dressed up and shit. And probably better looking because I look like ass. Straight ass, mind you. Not some gay one. There was no need to explain that, but you know, I did, so whatever. I don't want to do that. That sounds boring as hell. I don't. I keep pressing. I keep going to press tab, and I keep hitting my caps lock. Fun, fun. Ooh, what's over here? Well, you suck, and I hate you. So that's what's over here. The you suck and I hate you land. Get away from me. Why are you like that? Why are you like that? You didn't give me anything? What the hell, man? Get the hell over here, man. Out. Yeah, buddy. Bro could not do a single thing. Of course you'd give me a freaking... You just died, dude. You're like not even worth the effort. Let's go. Actually, let me go check and make sure. It can't be right there, so it doesn't matter anyway. Don't even try there. Where is it then? It's not up. It's right here, I think. Yeah. See, I can figure out where a secret room is on a map. My brain just hasn't woken up yet. It needed time to like process what was happening, to like fully understand that I was looking for a secret room and not a pain in my ass. Ow. Will I do this again? Probably, if it's well received. I will probably try to explain more about what I'm talking about. Dude, that's the second time. I don't want your shit, man. I want another key piece. I have a 62.5% chance to get an angel, by the way. It is a 100% chance for it to spawn a deal. It is just giving me both times a freaking devil deal, dude. I don't want that. That's bad for me. I don't care about that. No, no. Yeah. Ooh, a look up. Yay, lucky! Lucky look up! In here. Hangman? That's a justice card. Justice. Lover's card that I've been carrying. When am I going to use this? Nobody knows. Okay. That was my own fault. And because it's a new floor, we go over here to the AP classroom for, a natural log. For the absolute value of x less than 1, ln 1 plus x equals that. Based on the alternating series error bound, what is the least value for m such that L of n, so what we're looking for, minus this thing, that thing is less than 1 of 5,000. So m has to be, this is our boundary, because, infinity is stretching on forever. Starting at 1, stretching on forever. I think 4 is too much. 3 might also be too much. It is not, it's never this. If you ever see, I don't think there's ever been a problem where this is the correct answer. I mean, look, we'll even check it. Yeah, it's not the correct answer. Don't ever pick that one. This is just a cop-out question, or a cop-out answer. Like, you don't know how to do it, so I'm just gonna say that there isn't. 4 might be the answer. I'm not gonna do this one on, paper, because I don't know how to explain this that well. But I think 2 is too little, and I'm gonna say it's 3. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, right. You can bring up this 5,000 and make it so that looks complicated as all hell. I don't think I would have actually cared to do that question. So I'm glad I did not. Hooray! I'm glad I was able to justify that in my head. Anyway, back to the game. Come on. I'm... Yes. What's in here? The hourglass. Ooh. Fantastic, man. I really do appreciate it, but we're out of time. Well, I'm just not looking at my screen anymore. I'm off in La La Land, not even paying attention. Oh, hello there. Hey, did you guys know you can blow these guys up? Yeah, it's pretty sick, right? I am the dumbest person known to mankind. That's great. There you go. Now, if I had a D6 or a dice shard or a per throw, I could re-roll that into a secret room item, and that's sick. But, I don't have... Actually, I do have per throw runes unlocked. I just don't have an accessible way of getting them. So, Look at this dude. Okay. Yay. Well, let's keep going. Bam. I didn't find my shop, dude. You know what that means? We gotta try and make even if I don't have him unlocked, you know, I still gotta try. Now, how is it still a devil deal, dude? How? And none of this is even, like, that good. Like, I don't care about any of this. Like, give me a brimstone and I'd be tempted to, you know? Like, a money equals power would be good right now. Do I have that unlocked? Is that an unlock? Do I have to unlock money equals power? I don't remember. But, you know. It's not like it's gonna give it to me. Because why would it? It's just gonna continue to give me fucking... God, dude. Whatever. I'm getting mad over nothing again. I'd like this back, please. Thank you. Oh, look at Lazy Batman. Hey, don't you give the damage up? You do. I will be willing to give you one more. I will blow you both up. Cool. I am now really scared because I have 1 HP. Why did I do that to myself, you may be asking? Cool. That's the end of that run, folks. I hope you all enjoyed. I should not have given all my health to that devil beggar, and that is what we call greed, folks. My name has been Dumb Nothing, or DN, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.